Welcome to Walt's Flavor Crisp Chicken, voted best chicken in Delaware for the past 15 years, with 2 great locations in the city of Wilmington to serve you. 527 Vandiver Avenue, where the phone number is 302-658-1803. The other location is 103 North Lincoln Street on the west side of Wilmington. The number is 302-429-2587. Come into Walt's and try our famous golden fried chicken in a variety of dinner boxes and sizes. Don't forget about our famous side items like macaroni and cheese, buttered rice, red beans and rice, collard greens, and mashed potatoes, with many, many more. Walt's also has a wide assortment of desserts, such as bean pies and sweet potato pies, apple crisp, and banana pudding, just to name a few. Ask about Walt's catering menu and services. That's Walt's Flavor Crisp Chicken, best chicken in Delaware.